Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of my newest iPad, which I'm going to show you. So I bought this is the bag. So I got this yesterday, and with my iPad Air I got a cover for the iPad, which is iPad Smart Folio. So as you can see, this is the iPad cover. I'll show you this later. And also I got the iPad, the pencil, the Apple Pencil to go with the iPad. So I will do the unboxing of this as well, so stay tuned. But first we'll do the unboxing of iPad Air. So this is an iPad Air with just Wi-Fi, and it's blue color. So we'll do the unboxing of the iPad first. So there's a sticker saying with an arrow, so I'll start from there. I'll start peeling the cover from there, and the polythene cover is very soft, so it comes off easily. So I don't have to put any effort into taking this cover off. So I put the cover aside, and then I have the box. Let's see, we have to open this box. So as I can see, I just have to lift the lid of the iPad. Yes, it's coming out. Okay, the cover is off, and then we have the iPad here, and we'll get, there's a small piece of plastic which helps me to lift the iPad up. So this is the iPad, and before going into the iPad, let's see what's inside the box. So we have, I guess this is the user manual and the warranty card and everything. It's iPad Air, and we have all the information here. So that's basically it for it, and I'll leave it aside. And then inside the box I have the charging cable and the charger, as you would expect. So I'll get to the iPad then. This is the iPad, and it has a cover with it. I'll take the iPad out of the cover. Take the cover out like this. Okay, this is the iPad. It's a bit thick compared to the older iPads. Just for comparison, I will show you the old iPad. And the old iPad has a rounded edge, curved edge, whereas the newest iPad Air has a more of a rectangular edge, which I don't mind. And let's see how this works. Okay, now let's unbox the pencil. So just like before, I have a sticker to just take the cover off. So this is the Apple Pencil, and I thought that this would be very useful with my iPad, especially when taking notes on the go. So So the box, okay, there's another piece of plastic, I guess. Let's see. Okay, so the pencil is just coming out like this, so that's pretty cool. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so this is the Apple Pencil. Let's take it out. Let's put this all aside, and there's a small sticker. I'll take out the sticker, put it aside. Now let's open up the iPad. So talking about this iPad, unlike the old iPads where you have the start button here, there is no start button on this iPad Air. Instead, you have the button here, which already has the fingerprint. So that is a cool feature. There are no hard buttons on the front side of the iPad, and it says Touch ID here. That means on this button. It says Touch ID here. That means on this button. So let me enter the passcode. Okay, I have unlocked the iPad. So you can clearly see the difference of the two iPads, and this has a larger screen, and I will show you how to use the pencil. So I'll open up. Okay, now let's try out the pencil. So I have already paired the pencil with the iPad, and I will open up Notepad, and then in the iPad Notes there's a new feature which allows us to use the pencil. So I have already selected it. So if I write anything, it will automatically detect the letters. So it's called Scribble. So I can write anything, and if I want to delete the letter, I just have to cross it like that. And I'm going to write my channel name. So as you can see, and if I want to delete, I just have to do that. This is selection. Okay, if I want to draw anything, I just have to select the other option, and I can draw anything I want, just like this. So this is the use of the pencil, and this is very useful if I'm taking down notes. This will be extremely useful. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you did, hit the like button, and if you have any questions, please comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.